Hi viewers, today we're making a bread machine cake. It's also known as a pound cake. It is the cheapest and quickest cake to make. Our ingredients are 2 cups self-raising flour, half a cup caster sugar, 1 cup sour milk, 250 gram margarine or butter melted, a quarter cup coconut, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix all your liquid ingredients in one bowl, your eggs, sour milk, and vanilla essence. Mix them together with a wooden spoon, and then add your melted butter and mix thoroughly. Mix your dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Your baking flour, coconut, sugar, and mix thoroughly with a wooden spoon. Add your liquid ingredients as well as your dry ingredients in the baking machine. You might want to alternate liquid and dry ingredients just to help the machine to be able to mix thoroughly. But then if you didn't have to throw in a lot of ingredients, the machine is able to mix by itself. I just do this just to make sure. Also, you don't need to mix with the wooden spoon like I'm doing, but I always do it just to be 100% sure. But then if you do that, just make sure not to displace the mixing tool that is at the bottom. You can see cake option is 9. So we've selected 1 kg loaf. We're also selecting 9 as the option because we're baking a cake. Once you press that, the machine is going to start mixing. Even if you had just thrown all your ingredients, whichever way inside this machine, they were going to be mixed. I'm just a baker and I love working. After a while of waiting, voila! We've got a loaf of cake, and guess what? We're having it with custard and strawberry. What a sweet tooth I have. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.